Really? You gotta be kidding me.
You could hear that, right? You could hear it this time?
I could. Yeah.
All right, so this video was sent in to us. Let me jump ahead right about.
Delivered. You will not believe what he found under the hood of this F-150.
So we just got a brand new 22 F-150 off of the transport truck. Part of one of the problems with these trucks sitting. Yeah, they don't really have to.
That's my new toupee. Is that thing alive? Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my
That'll
God.
be enough publishing other people.
All right, so here you go, Dad. Essentially, someone took delivery of a new 2022 Ford F-150, and in the engine bay was a rodent, was an animal. Like,
Yes.
And it's on YouTube. Like, it's not just us talking about it. Like, this is what happens. This is a really got to be kidding me, right? This is what happens when things just sit around.
Oh no, Ford's spin on it will be, well, who's to say they didn't just place that live rodent in there so that they could make this video? That's what Ford will say. But I am telling you, when vehicles sit and they are not moved, and they are especially on lots, dirt lots, rodents they look at them and they go, oh, new condos. Okay, new condos, no down payment, no monthly payment. We're in. And the whole damn family moves into their brand new Ford condo. Okay,
Ford condo.
That's what happens. Yeah, that's what happens. Okay, and you know what they think? Oh my God, the refrigerator's filled with wires, and there's good stuff to eat. There's warmth. We've got protection from the rain and the snow. I mean, these are. I would move into a condo like that that's got all the food you'd ever want, all the protection from the elements that you'd ever want, and no monthly payment. I mean, who wouldn't want a housing situation quite like that?
Be like Mark and start saving hundreds of dollars on your maintenance and repairs, or like Rich, who saved thousands annually on his insurance. Simply join YAA Plus, the only membership that saves you money on all things auto. Head to joinyaa.com/plans and use the code YouTube to save 20%. All right, Dad, I am in front of Ford Motor Company's headquarters.
Yes.
So that means we are going to make fun of them. Sorry, Ford. Ford Quality Chief, Lincoln President to retire. I just found this fascinating, Dad. This came out about 15 minutes ago before the show. It turns out that Joy Folotico, 55, who has run Lincoln since 2018, and Stuart Raleigh, here you go, 55, Ford's Chief Transformation and Quality Officer, will both retire on December 1st. Dad, we know Ford has been plagued with quality control issues. Not a good sign that their Chief Transformation and Quality Officer is going to be leaving the company.
I just want to know one thing. What do they mean by Chief Transformation? What does that even mean? I'm what am I? If he's a Chief Transformation Officer, okay, I mean, that's a title that I've never heard of in any industry in my entire life. And by the way, what exactly did he transform? Because at 55, if you're being forced out because the quality control of what you're helping to transform is so piss poor, then maybe that wasn't a title or a job that you should have ever had.
I just found it fascinating.
I can't, but I think they're going to replace him with their chief. We're hoping to find our way officer. I mean, it's. I guess anybody can make up a stupid title.
I've got to imagine he's partly the scapegoat, because remember last quarterly earnings, most recent, like every single quarterly earnings, we've got quality control issues and we've got more recall work and more warranty work than we had expected. He's kind of the scapegoat, right? Like he had to go. Like I didn't know this role existed either, but he had to get out of there. I bet you he was forced out. That's my guess.
Well, I'm sure. And there's always a scapegoat. somebody is always going to take the fall. It's never going to be the top guy. And I'm sure that there are substantial rewards for agreeing to fall on the sword, so to speak, so that he'll be well taken care of. But it's just, it's really just kind of funny.
All right, Dad, this one's not that wordy. We could watch the video, but we don't need to. I just kind of want to, put you on your pedestal here for a moment. Coming out of the great state of Florida, we have a woman. Get out of here. We have a woman. I clicked dismiss. All right, it's not going to let me dismiss it, Dad. Doesn't really matter, Dad. Christy Smith told Action News of Jacksonville that it was only after she paid $22,999 to a company called Vroom, plus taxes and fees, for a used 2017 Ford Escape in December, that she learned there was a lien on it.
Not her lien, somebody else's lien.
I'm just gonna exit the stage to the left to give you the floor for this one. Vroom sold a car with a lien on it.
Okay. You mean the one they forgot to satisfy? You mean they bought a car from somebody that and somebody they bought it from had financed it through some lending institution, and Vroom never bothered to make the payoff on that vehicle, but sold it anyway? Wow. Between Vroom and Carvana and Shift and whatever other primarily online digital retailers are out there, do yourselves a favor, folks. Stay the hell away from them. Okay. Listen, I know that there's a vast majority of dealers out there that you don't trust, and in many cases with good reason. But damn, you can probably get more done with a dealer you don't trust than you can get done with some digital platform retailer that you can't even talk to anybody. It's just, it's pure. It's pure lunacy, in the sense that the one thing that we seem to have more of than perhaps maybe the rest of the world is lunacy. We are the proud possessor of the world's most lunatic nation in the way that we want to try and buy cars. You don't buy them online. You just don't buy them online, and you don't buy them from sources that have shown over and over and over again for years and years and years that they don't know what the hell they're doing. They can't title them. Apparently, they can't pay them off from whoever they bought them from. They can't seem to recondition them. They can't seem to, in many cases, tell the truth about them as far as condition is concerned. My God, just as bad as your local car dealers might be, you're better off dealing with a local car dealer than you are with some digital platform retailer that you can't get a hold of anybody. I'm done. Damn it. I'm done with Vroom. I'm done with Carvana. I'm done with Shift.
Don't be done with Carvana. Don't be done with Carvana. Their earnings, Dad, are this afternoon. All right. So we need to be ready to dig into those. I think that is the alarm bell of alarm bells that's about to go off later today.
Well, okay. So I'll rant on Carvana tomorrow. But I mean, really, we support your local businesses, whether you like them or you don't like them. Find the one that you can like and support your local businesses. You'll be better off.